Have you ever thought about transforming your vacation rental into a smart rental? A smart rental is not just a buzzword. It's a way to enhance both your guest experience and your property management. Imagine a world where convenience meets technology, creating a space that caters to every guest's needs while providing you with complete control and peace of mind. Stay tuned as we delve into key aspects of a smart rental, from smart locks and security systems to voice-activated assistants and home automation. First off, let's talk about smart locks and security systems. They're the perfect blend of convenience and security, a vital first step in transforming your rental property into a smart rental. With smart locks, forget about physical keys. Instead, guests can unlock the door using digital keys or unique codes. As a property owner, you'll enjoy the freedom to manage access remotely and receive real-time notifications whenever guests arrive or leave. And it doesn't stop there. By integrating a smart security system, you can add layers of protection with features like motion sensors, door and window sensors, and even video surveillance. This technology not only ensures your property's safety, but also provides peace of mind to you and your guests. Smart locks and security systems not only enhance security, but also make property management more efficient. Next on the list, voice-activated assistants. Imagine bringing the future into your vacation rental with the likes of Amazon Echo or Google Home. These smart speakers are revolutionizing the guest experience, functioning as personal concierges responding to simple voice commands. They allow guests to control various aspects of their environment, from adjusting lights and thermostats to playing their favorite tunes. Need local information or recommendations? Just ask your voice-activated assistant. The convenience and customization these devices offer is unparalleled. They empower your guests, making them feel pampered with cutting-edge technology right at their fingertips. With voice-activated assistants, your guests can enjoy a personalized and futuristic vacation experience. Now let's explore the wonders of smart home automation. This technology is about more than just convenience. It's about optimizing your vacation rental management, saving both time and energy. With smart home automation, you can remotely control aspects such as lighting, appliances, and even the thermostat. But it doesn't stop there. Pre-programmed scenes can be created for different occasions, allowing you to tailor the guest experience to perfection. Imagine setting a cozy ambiance for movie nights or a refreshing morning setting for early risers. It's all about crafting those unforgettable experiences that make your property stand out. Smart home automation empowers you to manage your vacation rental efficiently while offering your guests an unforgettable stay. Lastly, let's not forget about Wi-Fi connectivity and smart TVs. In our hyper-connected world, reliable high-speed Wi-Fi isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether for work, communication, or entertainment, guests expect seamless internet access. Now, pair this with a smart TV, and you've got a recipe for a truly unforgettable stay. Smart TVs offer a touch of luxury, providing guests with an array of streaming services like Netflix and Hulu. Imagine your guests relaxing after a long day of sightseeing, sinking into the couch and getting lost in their favorite shows or movies. Wi-Fi connectivity and smart TVs are the cherries on top of your smart rental, ensuring your guests stay entertained and connected. So why should you consider transforming your vacation rental into a smart rental? Well, smart locks and security systems enhance convenience and security. Voice-activated assistants bring the future to your guests, acting as personal concierges. Smart home automation lets you manage your property remotely, saving time and energy. Reliable Wi-Fi and smart TVs add a touch of luxury. Transforming your vacation rental into a smart rental is an investment in convenience, security, and an enhanced guest experience. It's time to embrace the future of vacation rentals.